Lane position. Should be going up the middle of these straight ahead arrows, Kirk. Don't get in the blind spot of the van, mate. Keep an eye on your mirrors. Not really an appropriate time to move out. There's a police car behind you. I'd move back in, chaps. Well done. Lovely. If you want to move back out, that's fine. There's nothing else behind at the moment. Lovely. Stay in position, Kurt. Just get used to being in the middle of your lane, mate. It doesn't really matter at the moment because you've got hatch markings on your right, but I just want you to get your head into gear of middle of the lane, because it does matter when there's oncoming traffic. Just ask yourself whether you've got 2 seconds stopping distance, Sam. Nice, well done. It's quite easy to chase the car in front when they're not getting up to the speed limit. When we get to the roundabout, turn right. Then we need to join the lanes for the M1, but take your time doing it because it was probably quite busy. And then follow the ring road. Try and look through the pillars early. Make an early decision. Nice, well done. Good. Nice, use your power now, Sam. Push down with your left bar. Take your time joining. Lovely, well done. Lovely. Remember, we're going to try and keep it up to 42 when the speed limit drops. Don't drop below. A bit early, Kirk, to drop your speed off, mate. That was very sudden as well. Try and be a little more gradual as you're dropping your speed off. Lane position, both of you. I feel like a broken record. Position 2. Part of the problem, Kirk, is your mirror checks. When you look in your right mirror, your bike moves over to the white line. So when you check your mirrors, drop your elbows and move your head by itself without moving your upper body. It's better. Careful. Use your horn. Never be afraid to use your horn. The second that car started to move, you should have beeped your horn then. Nice, well done. Just watch anyone else diving out of the lane towards you. Lovely, well done. Lovely, just be careful with your speed on the roundabout. It's quite tight in this lane. You need to be able to see the surface before you go pegging it round. At the traffic lights, turn left. What's your lane position, Kirk? You're practically over the white line, mate. Nice, well done. Stay in the middle of your lane, Geordie. This is a left turn only lane. If you stop on the left for us, please, Jake. These lights have changed, mate. If you go too far over to one side or the other, you leave space for someone to get up next to you. We're on the way, Jake. At the next traffic lights, Jake, turn left. Left at the lights, left at the roundabout, and then into the fuel station. Left at the roundabout. Indicator, Jake. We're turning left, mate. Never mind. Geordie, if you go into the fuel for me, I'm just going to follow Jake. Nice, well done. Careful with the junctions on your right here. The examiner uses this road quite a lot. Remember, when there's a junction on the right, you shouldn't be going onto the wrong side of the road. You should be keeping your speed down lighter to the cars. Nice, well done. He's not on the roundabout yet, mate. Covering horn, watching wheels. Just watch that line there, Dom. You've gone a bit wide, mate. A little bit wide on that one as well, Dom. When you're going around a bend, try and actively push down with your left handlebar to go left. Push down and away. Left for left, right for right. Make sure you're looking around the bend as well, don't look at the curb. Close to the back of the van, Geordie, because we're actually going to go up the left hand side of this queue in a minute. Or when it's safe to do so. Just remember, any gaps in the queue, could be things coming through. You can go past the van. Just need to do it slowly and carefully, that's all. That's it, well done. So left, then right. Between the left of these two lanes, Jake. Well done. If there was a big queue in this lane, we'd be in that one. Nice, well done. Don't put yourself next to the white car, Jake, mate. Get yourself out of that position, don't sit there. Well done. Did you get your pants, Jake? Try and look further ahead at your road surface. Oh, there's a great hole in the road. I know, it's huge. Planning your road surface is part of your planning.